back to the house. So now it's time to sort all of this out. We've got parts, more parts, different types of cleaners, wire brushes, grinder, more cleaners to help clean things up, sprays, glasses, some heat, a couple of boxes to put little bits and pieces in, nice big tub of CLR to soak stuff in later, and a bit of that diesel we ripped out of the engine, out of the fuel tank. We can hopefully use that first to help clean it all up, and then we can at least put that back in there because, you know, it's just crap anyway, and see how that goes to clean some of the rust off some of the bits. But we're just going to start really disassembling everything right down and cleaning it right back. So that's the job. I need some music, better some tunes going. Another beautiful day. So today I've just kept cleaning bits. You know, they're coming up really nice. They were full of crap, and you know, we're just going to get rid of all the paint off here. Probably will just get them a quick sandblast just to get rid of the old flaky paint, but the rest of it's coming up pretty good. You know, things are looking alright. Getting all the valve springs off, knock out all the valves, keep cleaning up the head, and we haven't got that many parts left to really clean up. Let's keep moving, let's keep doing it. Well, that took a little bit of work, but the head, look, it's got a few little rust pits going on, just there, a couple of the outer edges where the valve seats, but I don't know if you saw how difficult it was to get them out. Like, there was a lot of rust build up on the inside. Look, the valves are screwed anyway, so there's new valves will be coming, but I just tested them all out after cleaning them up, and they seat beautifully, you know. Oh yeah. So we'll get some new valves, and that'll be really nice. That's good. The head is first clean of the head is done. So, you know, we want to get a flush out, give the whole thing a good flush out. We've still got to acetone it as well. Other parts are looking good. Yeah, you know, that was a big one. That was a big one. And all the injector ports were bloody clagged up with crap. But we've cleared it all out. We're just going to get another bit of a brush inside there, as my little wire one's just about gone. We're going to have a quick break and then we'll get into the rest of the parts. Yeah. Welcome back. Another week. Oh, that's better. Welcome back. Another week, and we're slowly getting through all the bits and pieces of the engine. So we've been cleaning up everything with its first clean. Oh, it's looking good. Clean the sump up, get rid of all the old gaskets. Just giving everything a real good clean. I'm not going to film all of that and play it for you because it's pretty boring. It's just cleaning, scrubbing, cleaning, wire brush, wire the wheels, scraper. You know, they're getting the workout. Definitely getting a workout. Clean. So, what am I doing? Working on this part. This is rusted right on this old pipe. We're gonna have to make up a new one. We'll get a new one made up or whatever. So for now, so I've been soaking some items in CLR overnight to see how that goes. Seems to have cleared up a lot of the rust off some of these bits and pieces. A lot of the rust. Looks fantastic. Chucked in all the different pipes and other bits, had them soaking overnight, just chucked these in. I don't know about this, like it's probably gone, but we'll see if the rust clears away. Got this cleaning, soaking. We've just WD-40'd up all the brackets. Get the bolts off, get rid of the mounting plates, and clean up these brackets because they're still good. Clean all them up. We've just about got all our bits clean, really. Good. Now we do need to get a new shaft, obviously, for this guy. And a new housing. We also need to get bolts. A whole box of bolts. Oh, don't lose my list. Oh. I've also got the plans so I can actually have a good look at know exactly what bolts go where anyway, but that's my little list. I'll get all the bolts out, sort them all out next week, and go into a store, bolt supplier, just get brand new bolts for everything. Brand new of everything. Most of the heads were that rusted. I had to use a smaller head socket. So on a 12mm bolt, I was knocking on an 11mm socket just to get it to come undone. They were that worn. Some of them even a bit less. A few different techniques that I was using. Cut off a little edge of the bolt, hammer and a cold chisel, tap tap tap. Sometimes you can get that to work. If not, if you've got a bit of space, you can cut it off. A pair of vice grips. That sometimes works. Sometimes. It's a bit of work cleaning it all up. It's taken me probably 4 days. 4 full days of just cleaning. And then before I put it all back together at the end, I'm going to do another final clean with degreaser. And we'll give everything another clean again before we start putting it back together. Exhaust pipes, no good. We're going to get a new one made up. We're going to get all the hoses, new hoses. I've got them all here. New valves. Oil pumps good. Oh, that's for the oil filter. We've got. Looking good. All right, let's go to the boat and check some things out there, eh?